Hi friends, I wish one and all of you nationally and internationally a very happy Independence Day. Today we are having senior citizen guru like Prakash sir, whom we will be greeting. I would request Vinkamanda Pandey to please felicitate him. Thank you.
This 15th August 2021, the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, we at Narayani Foundation are recording a concert to pay our tribute to the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, his cabinet colleagues, all the medical fraternity of our country, the armed forces, the police and other security personnel, their yeoman service provided to this nation during this pandemic and all other calamities faced by us is commendable. They have maintained the highest standard and boosted the prestige of our country worldwide. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Friends, I would like to introduce Narendra Jeet Karji, who is an excellent photographer and who is agreed to videograph our Independence Day coverage. I would wish him all the best and a very progressive time ahead. Thank you. Please accept a small token from Narayani Foundation. Shri Kulkarni Kaka, whom we call with lot of love and affection. He also runs a studio and many a times he's helped me a lot. I would like to thank him and greet him. Kaka, please come. I call upon young Nikhil now, who's just done his Bisharat, just finished his education, and we all should give him a big hand with clap. He plays the tabla very well. And please, Nikhil, I would like you to make your parents, Shri Raju Kadam and Poonamji, very proud that they have brought you up. Thank them. Thank you so much. Upon Raju Kadam, my guru, my teacher. Also, he behaves most of the time like our own son. So we give him the greatest tribute. Rajuji, please idea. Dear friends, this 15th August 2021, the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, we at Narayani Foundation wish everyone a very Independence Day. On behalf of Narayani Foundation, I would also like to pay tribute to everyone and also say that the artists today, most of them faced a lot of problems during the pandemic. So we should all give them a very big boost and start a program. We would start with Raju Kadam, our singer, Padma Pandey, Prakash Kamble on violin, Shri Kulkarni with dhola and Nitin Kadam on tabla. We would start our program with a small bhajan and then carry on the songs. Thank you. Friends, now we are paying tribute to the nation, and all of us must now become more nationalist and think of this nation as a great nation for progress. We would start with a small bhajan and give tribute to the armed forces as well. Thank you once again. Dear friends, Narayani Foundation pays tribute to the nation, armed forces, and our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who has taken this nation to great heights. We would like to thank each and every one and look in India as a very progressive nation. I would also like to introduce my artists here who would be paying tribute to the nation. Shri Prakash Kamleji, our Guru, Shri Raju Kadamji, with whom I would be accompanying, Shri Nikhil Kadam and Shri Kulkarni, whom we call Kaka by love. Thank you so much.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले गुलदस्ते में हमसे भूल गई कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का तेरे नाम की लागी रे लगन माँ एक तेरे नाम हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से
Modi ji, I would like you to see all these artists on the YouTube, and I would be very, very grateful to you if you give us the opportunity to visit you and get your blessings. You have taught the nation what is to be a nationalist, And I, on behalf of Narayani Foundation, I would like to thank you and all the service personnel, as well as my beautiful artists here, and my Guruji, Shri Prakash Ji, and Jitkar Saab, who's come to record our beautiful music show. I would thank each one of the citizens of India to look into India as a very progressive nation and take the guidance of our Prime Minister. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And please, after we finish the song, which we are dedicating to Matra Bhumi now, we would like everyone to be quiet for the national anthem. सब मिलके बोलिए भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। अब हम सब अपने नेशनल एंथम को गाते हुए इस प्रोग्राम का अंत कर रहे हैं। धन्यवाद। भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ मांगे तागी, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय 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 हे। एक बार हम फिर अपने आर्टिस्टों को धन्यवाद कहते हुए सबकी तालियां सुनना चाहती हूँ। प्लीज सब लोग एक जोर से ताली बजाइए। And I would also like to say thank you to Wing Commander Pandey, who's been a great support for me, and wish my son Ajay Pandey a very happy birthday today. Please bless this foundation. I would like to progress with all these great artists. Thank you. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind.